Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Setting a price is not guessing. In this short guide you'll learn how to price for profit, so every sale covers your costs and still leaves money in your pocket. Let's break down the real math. Open one of your products and find the price area. On Resogra you can type your price in the currency you think in, US dollars, euros, naira, cedis, francs, or rupees, and it is saved in US dollars automatically. So start by deciding the real number you need for this item. Here is your selling price. This one number has to do 3 jobs at once. It has to cover what the product costs you, cover the small platform fee, and cover shipping, and still leave you a profit. To set it well, you first need to know exactly what you take home from each order. Open the Payouts page under Seller Tools. This page shows you the exact money math behind every order, so you never have to guess what lands in your account. First, the timing. Resogra transfers your share of each order after delivery is confirmed, straight to your bank through Stripe. Your banking details are held securely by Stripe, and Resogra never sees them. Now the part that protects your profit. Your payout per order equals the product total, minus a 5% Resogra commission, minus the shipping label cost if you buy one. So on a $100 sale, $5 is the platform fee. Whatever shipping costs, subtract that too. Work backwards from this, pick a price where the money left over still beats what the product cost you. That is pricing for profit. Last, connect your bank account once with this button. After that, every payout lands automatically after delivery, with no extra steps from you. Set a smart price, connect your bank, and you win on every sale. And that's how you price for profit. Cover your cost, the 5% fee, and shipping, and keep the rest. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.